Hello everyone, this is Nihal from ANTT Robotics. School of IoT is a product of ANTT Robotics. So from my Visualiser perspective, I will unbox this box today and let's check outside of the box what's here. So from the first appearance, this box looks really lucrative. It's color and everything. And if you look here, have a look here what we get from this box. Well, it says it's an IoT and robotics starter kit. So that means with this box, you can learn the basic of robotics and STM and IoT things. And it's compatible with Arduino. And it have the graphical interface, which those who don't like the complex coding, it's not that type. And here you will get a pack of sensors inside. And here in the back, you will see that there are a lot of images of sensors which you will find inside the box. So yeah, let's not wait. Let's unbox it. So, with a nice packed box, my first appearance that I get an instruction manual. Here, the board, the development board which we are providing, there's a instruction how you can build it. And here you can get a QR scanner code, you can see. If you scan this, it will go directly to the website where you can use this dashboard. Well, I will come back later what is dashboard, and you will have a nice book. After that, you will get a leaflet of the ANTT Robotics and see their specifications. And now comes the real thing, the development board. Here it is. So it's very small and can also have a tiny display here and some sensors, and there's more to come inside the box. So let's see one by one. So at first I get a breadboard. So most of us know about this, right? We can plug and play different sensors inside here. So we have got a nice breadboard, and there's an LDR sensor which reacts through the light. We have a white LED and the red LED also, and some male to female wires, followed by that we get some acrylic things, plastics. So what's the use of it? Remember, there's an instruction given how you can make that board. So yeah, you can cover up this board with these acrylics. Here you can see there are a lot of sensors, and one by one I will go through it. So this one is gas sensor. Here you can see DHT11, which is temperature and humidity sensor. Here you get some registers, moisture sensor. Here we can see a propeller. Well, what's the use of it? It comes with the motor, so you can plug it here and use it as fan. And I will come back here. What's the use of all these things here? So you will get a memory card, which is 4 gigabytes, a lot of storage for the things. And this is the plug and play cable to upload the code in the device and from help of computer. And there's a water pump, small water pump, this very cute one. I like it personally. And this pipe comes with the motor pump. And finally, to power up the board, we have this DC adapter, sorry, which you can power up the board. And that's all. So where we can integrate all these things, right? So let's come to the smart home. You see the propeller, we have used it here, and there's the motor, DC pump, and here is the moisture sensor and PIR sensor, which detect any motion and any kind of motion, such as like if this guy entered into the house, and it will automatically give an alarm. And here comes the LEDs. Okay, and if I come closer, so here you can see a gas sensor for like detecting smoke and things like that. And that's it. On the top, you will find the DHT11, which is temperature and humidity sensor, also included with the LDR. for detecting sunlight and darkness. And that's so you have seen all the components, and you have also seen that where we implement that. But how do you gonna implement that, and where do you learn? Don't worry, we have our website where you can enroll into our courses and training. And by the course, you can know all the components, and by hands-on, you can get the training and how you can develop it. So grab the course, and I want you to upload your cool project and share with us, and we'll also share with our community. So don't wait, let's share your project and explore. Thank you.